Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we're seeing that we're having a very much green day. So that's pretty good, guys. And don't forget, none of this is financial advice. It's just a OG in-house expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys know that. So we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Is a 70% rally still intact? We did talk about that in previous years. So we're going to talk about Dogecoin price predictions. When are we going up? When are we going up? Not only for Dogecoin but for other cryptos. Is this the end of the bull run? Are we going to continue up? It's just a micro bear cycle, and the bull run's going to continue. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you some on-chain analysis that proves to me and proves to you out there that the bull run is far from over, and we're going to see some things going up soon, guys. Even though it doesn't feel like it, we've had a big boom chakalaka go down, down. Well, you know, pretty much things are looking pretty good, and that is great beans in the house. So, guys, don't be negative. Don't be weak Nancy's in the house. Do not be anything but positive. And if you're watching it for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, YB. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and check out, the Dogecoin tipping jar. Don't forget to buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member if you would. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out the merch. We've got the caps, we've got the mugs, we've got backpackets, we've got t-shirts, we've got all sorts of cool stuff. So go on down there, check the link down below. All the links are down below. Below all the videos, you'll see the links, guys. The links, get those links, and you're going to love it. I'm loving it. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Let's get it. So guys and gals, I just want to say thank you for Brian, Mr. Brilliant in the house, for buying some merch. So guys and gals, if you buy some merch, send me a picture on Twitter and I'll get you guys covered out there, guys. So that is cool beans in house, guys. So for that being said, I want to give a big shout out to David Ricine, a big shout out to Dick Bear in house, big contributor, big shout out to Dragon, upper hand in house, Nick Ann in the house, Kate in the house, and all the peeps and all the beautiful people out there. Also a big shout out to Brian, Sharon in the house, my Shannon's in the house, all those beautiful people out there, and all the people from Vietnam, all the people from America, all the people from Asia, everybody from around the world. A big hug. I love you guys to death, and it's a great time to be alive, guys. So if you take a look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets are looking pretty good right now. We're seeing that most of the pre-markets are up 0.5%, and don't forget we got the Fed. The Fed is absolutely going to be increasing interest rates probably next week, and it's probably going to go up about 0.5 basis points. And some people are speculating that we're going to be seeing that the total interest rate for this year could be going up to about 3.5% in total. So get ready for that. But the increase that we see right now is already baked in, so that should not have any negative impact. In fact, it should have some positive impact because the markets are going to be feeling a little bit, oh, thank you, the Fed's finally doing something about that. So that is pretty cool news in the house. So if you take a look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed is fantastic compared to where it was yesterday. It's up 6 points already, so we can see that the sentiment is becoming more positive, and that is because crypto basically rebounded. So guys, remember, this is a contrarian indicator. I've been telling you that time and time again. So guys, keep watching, keep buckling up. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, boot the likes, and don't forget to give super chats in the live stream. I would appreciate it. So right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin is being faring between 38.5 and 39,000. It's just been kind of going range bound between that. We're seeing that Ethereum is also getting beaten up right now. It's having a little bit of a trouble getting itself above 3,000. So depending on what time you watch this video, we could see either Bitcoin in the red or in the green. It's kind of like 50-50 right now. That's all going to depend on the market makers out there. So if you take a look at the on-chain flow for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, you can see right now the weekly on-chain. This is the weekly, not the daily on-chain flow. You're seeing that over the last week, almost $503 million worth of Bitcoin flew off exchanges, and that means that they're gone, guys, and they're not on exchanges. And we're seeing right now the total amount of Bitcoin that's left on exchanges is around about 3.8 million Bitcoin is left on exchanges, and almost 14 million has been taken off exchanges, guys. So you're seeing that the majority of the Bitcoin right now is the illiquid supply. That means it's not available for sale. And we're seeing the amount of Ethereum that went off exchange as well is about $195 million. And also too, if you look at the Ethereum burn right now, the amount of Ethereum that's being burned on a daily basis is we're burning more Ethereum right now than that is being mined. So it looks like Ethereum is becoming a deflationary, and we're getting closer and closer to to the Ethereum 2.0 that should be coming out sometime end of May, first 2 or 3 weeks in June. So between end of May and end of June, we should start to see that the merge is going to happen for Ethereum, and that's going to be cool, guys. That should send Ethereum price to the moon. Let's skyrocket. Let's get it. So we're saying that seeing the net flow of Tether onto exchanges is increasing, and the reason we're seeing a positive here is because people are pushing Tether onto exchange so they can buy the dips, guys. So buy the biddy, buy the dips, and remember, diversification is key. Do not have all of your eggs in one basket. I think from my opinion, this is not financial advice. The perfect diversification is 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and the balance of the other 25% in the big caps, mid caps, and that's what I would do. And if you do feel like you want to, risk some of your cash, remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and never, ever, ever, never, ever use a credit card or borrow money to buy crypto. That is just dumb, dumb. And if you're doing that, it means you're a fool. And if somebody told you to do that, that means that they're just shilling and they want you to lose money out there. Never, ever, ever invest your rent, guys. If you do that, you'll be homeless. You'll absolutely be homeless. Don't become knocking on my door. So from that perspective, just a quick repeat: 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 25% in mid caps, big caps. And if you do want to be, a bit more risky, you can go 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 20% in big cap, mid caps, and you could do 5%, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% in the smaller caps, guys. Stay away from the micro caps. A lot of those micro caps are rug pulls, so watch out for those bad boys in the house. And there's a lot of rug pulls out there, guys, so just watch out for that. So the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now in the last hour has been Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, Digibyte, Shiba Inu, Solana, Phantom, and ApeCoin, and Ethereum name service ENS. So guys and gals, name service ENS is very good because it makes it a lot easier out there to send Ethereum if you have some address. Like, for example, my ENS address is daryl.cartwright.eth. So that's my address, guys. So it makes it a lot easier. You could have like pupushmata.eth, and that makes it a lot easier to remember than we have all of these numbers. So hopefully we'll get the Doge. We'll start at ENS as well soon. That'll be easier for people to remember that. Google Trends on Bitcoin is at a yearly low. So this is good, guys. So there's less and less people searching for Bitcoin on Google Trends, and this means that this is a good buy signal to me. Remember, buy the fear. Do the opposite of what the street is doing. Do the opposite of what's happening. Price prediction wise, definitely we could be seeing $100,000 coming in for Bitcoin in the June or July in the summertime. We could be seeing $6,000 to $10,000 for Ethereum, and I still believe that we're going to see the Doge getting all-time high sometime in the summertime. That could be anywhere from May to July, even in August, guys. So sometime in the summer months, we're going to see Doge Warriors start to screamy, weemy. We got a bit of a news article that's going to talk about, can Dogecoin get itself up to 23 cents? Could we see a 70% increase from here? I want to talk about that. So keep smashing the likes, keep watching, keep subscribing, keep loving. And guys, OMG, call to action out there. You got to do one thing. Take this video link, copy, paste, put it on Twitter right now. We got to get a message out there. And also hashtag Doge love, hashtag Doge to the moon, guys. Get it out there, get it on there, and don't forget to do that, guys. And don't forget, we got the Dogecoin tipping jar. If you want to show some love, go absolutely down to the comments and actually go down to the links, guys. You're gonna get it. So that's cool beans, guys. Less people are searching for Bitcoin, so that means it's a good buy signal in the house. So this also coming in right now. Bitcoin has gone up in the May 7 out of 11 years. So hopefully we're gonna get a huge bullish reversal for the Dogecoin and for the Bitcoin, because we definitely need Bitcoin to go up. Because if Bitcoin goes up, Doge Warriors is going to go up, and we definitely need the Doge to go up. We got so many catalysts. We got Elon Musk has bought Twitter. The final announcement hasn't come out. And if Elon Musk does buy if Elon Musk does buy Twitter, I get my words. I get my brain twisted, guys. So if Elon Musk buys Twitter, as we know he is, we're just waiting for the final paperwork to go through. Then we're going to get the Dogecoin tipping jar, and then once we get the Dogecoin tipping jar, then we're going to get Tesla accepting Dogecoin. So these three catalysts are going to be big for the Doge Warrior right now. So it looks like Indian IT minister is directed crypto exchanges to store user data for 5 years. So now you're going to have to store your data for 5 years. The new directives for VPN services and crypto exchange would require them to collect critical private information about ownership patterns of customers. So all of this on top of their huge 30% capital gains tax. What is going on? Why is this country such a big Debbie Downer? Why are they such a big Debbie Downer on crypto? Have no idea. Guys, I feel sorry for you guys stuck with this whole draconian crypto policies out there. What are they scared of? What are they scared of? You know, it's just another financial revolution. It's just another, you know, Bitcoin is just another currency. It's another currency that's great. I mean, listen, if you want to send like $1,000 across the world, it's going to take you days and days to get there. It's going to cost you $40. But if you send Bitcoin across the world, it's instant, guys. It's instant, and it's going to cost you maybe $1 max. To send you you know, $1,000. If you send Doge or Woj across the continent, it's lightning fast, and you're lucky if you're paying like a fraction of a cent for that. So guys and gals, get with the program in India and stop making life difficult for those people who just want to, you know, find their financial freedom, guys. So boot the likes, smash the likes. I love it, you love it, and it looks like we got the billionaire investor Warren Buffett once again has slammed Bitcoin, and he hates Bitcoin, and it wouldn't take all of the Bitcoin in the world for just $25. So he said if Bitcoin was at $25, he wouldn't buy it, guys. So hey, it's okay, because you know when Bitcoin hits $1 million, maybe Warren Buffett, he might be not around anymore. Expiry date, beep beep beep, expiry alert. So it looks like, guys, keep an eye on these 5 top cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, Lunar, Near, and VET, and GMT. We could see that these coins could start to pop up, so keep an eye on them. I'm going to be keeping an eye on them. And if you look at our portfolio, we're holding BTC, Luna, Near, and VET already. So that is pretty cool news, guys. So keep an eye on these. We could see some pumpity pump, some turnaround time. So let's jump into Bitcoin price right now. For the price of Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is at $38,682 on the daily. So we've been pretty much range bound, home on the range bound. We hit a high of 39,196. We hit a low of 38,393, and we're just going mid-range between today's high and lows out there, guys. So I'm still pretty confident, still pretty bullish on the bitty. And you can see that we're still trading in this this range between 45,000 and 35,000 in-house. So it's you know, not a big deal. It's about $10,000 difference. So right now we're still getting some resistance at 39,000. We did go just slightly past it. We got rejected, went all the way down. So we're right now at 38,668. We got some cool bean support at 38,000, around $38,390, $38,300. So as long as we stay above that support, I ain't worried in-house. Let's take a look at Biddy on the weekly right now. Let's take a look at the Biddy on the weekly. So right now Biddy is painting a green candle for the week. We've got 6 days and 13 hours left on the weekly candle. Let's hope and pray out there that we can see the itty bitty baby stay in the green. And you know, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. 5 weeks, guys. 5 weeks that has just been disgusting out there, and we've been going down, down. So we also are still below this EMA here. So you know, we need to get above the 21-day EMA here. If we stay above the 21-day EMA, that is a bullish indicator. So for us to hit that, we need to be around about 42,500. Will put us above the 21-day EMA, and that'll confirm there's a bull run still ongoing out there. So that is pretty cool. Beans in the house. So that is cool, guys. So you know, Warren Buffett, Debbie Downer. We got the whole top cryptos to keep an eye on, so that is cool beans. And guys and gals, don't forget, you know, the beast indicator indicates to me that, you know, we still are in a bull run, and a bull run is about to take off, guys. So this is the beast indicator. Beast, the improved bull run detection, guys. The beast indicator indicates that we're going to be seeing uppity up, guys, in June for the cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. But first, let's take a look at the monthly returns. Let me just give this a month quick refreshy out there. So let's take that to the monthly time frame. Let's get it. Let's get rid of the pop-ups, 8 pop-ups. So right now we're seeing that May, so far we're up almost 3%. So far, so good. And, you know, as Bitcoin Archive had mentioned, is that, you know, most of the time we will see that Biddy in May will be going uppity up. So that seems to confirm that whole pattern out there. So that is pretty good in-house. So right now for Dogecoin, will Dogecoin set a rally of 70%? So Dogecoin price closed last week in the positive after undoing 20%. So, you know, after Elon Musk did announce that he did buy Twitter, we did see that Dogecoin went up to 70 cents. It lost most of that, and right now we're seeing for the price of Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is trading at 13 cents in house. So that has gone down considerably. We've seen some droppage, so there's been some profit taken out there, and we're down about 8.3% right now. So from that perspective, the bullish rally to 25 cents, 23.5 cents still remains intact. but it's delayed due to the unexpected sell-off last week. So we did have a huge sell-off last week, particularly when, we had this whole spike to 17.5 cents. People saw that and used that as a signal to sell, sell, sell. So a weekly candle close below 0.78 would put an end to this bullish outlook. And guys, keep in mind that we've been going down. We're down about 85% since our high. We're down off 85%. And then formed a swing low at 10 cents in February. So remember, we did hit a low as 10 cents in February, but overall, we're moving in the right direction. So it looks like we could be seeing, connecting with these swing point trend lines describes a falling wedge. So we have this huge falling wedge that we talked about, and it looks like that we could be seeing a 23% upswing pretty soon. And we could be seeing a total recovery out there. So we need to stay above 13.1 in the house to confirm a recovery to 23 cents in the house. So right now we're seeing that we're just slightly below 13 cents. So let me just add that in there. Let me just add a support line at 13 cents. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make that line green, green, green. So that is a support line right now at 12 cents. So let's do it, guys. Let's make that green in the house. Green, green. So we do have some good support around about 13 cents. So hopefully we can hold. And if we can hold that, then there's a good chance that we can get ourselves up to around 23.5. And that will take us up almost 70% in the house. So hopefully we can get up to here. So that's our next target, is around there. And let's put that in white, and that will confirm a target out there. So I'm pretty positive that we're going to get there. It's just a matter of time. Time. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh. So hopefully you're all doing well out there. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Doge tipping jar. So right now we have 123.53 million of apes been wrecked, and that's about 47.34 traders in the house. So that's 47,000 traders have been wrecked. And so far in the 24 hours, we're still seeing is about 50% shorts, 50% long. So that's not looking good. If you look at the 12 hours right now, it's still shorts, but it's 50-50. So that's why if Bitcoin does go up, it's going to go up slightly, or it's going to go down. But on the 4 hours, we have a lot of long. So expect Bitcoin probably to be dropping to around about 37.9, 37.8 in the next couple of days, guys. So that's what's going to happen. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is at 28.06. We've got some support at 27.03. We saw that support line on the 30th. We also saw it on May 1st. So that's acting as huge support at 2,700. So hopefully we can keep on keeping on above that. Phantom right now is at 75 cents in the house. So, so Phantom is doing better than where it was, but it's showing a little bit of red. But we have some good support at 52. And for a Solana in the house right now, Solana is also trading at $87. It's giving up a lot of profit right now, but I'm still pretty confident that Solana is definitely going to be making some moves to the upside, and that is all because of the stablecoin. The algorithmic stablecoin is in some trouble right now, so hopefully we can see definitely the Phantom and Solana start to go up. So Solana right now is at 87.16. Let's take a look at the Shibi Weeby EB right now. So Shibi Weeby is trading at 20 cents, and we still are getting resisted right now, the 22 line. So keep on for Shibi Weeby right now. So that is it. Let's take a look at the total market cap. Total market cap is 1.77 trillion. The volume is super light at 49, not even 50 billion. Bitcoin dollars is too high. Let's take a look at the coinage. So we're seeing pretty much a mixed bag. We're seeing Bitcoin is up about 1.75%. We're seeing Ethereum is up. We're seeing BNB is up slightly. We're seeing a Solana is down. Luna is up, guys. We're seeing ADA is up. Doge is almost neutral, but we're seeing that Doge in the last 7 days is still in the green. So Doge is outperforming a lot of the other altcoins. So that is pretty positive if you're holding Doge, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. Guys and gals, do go follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,373 followers. Follow. Don't forget to boop the like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share this links, guys. Once again, don't forget to check out the Doge tip jar, buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, and don't forget to check out Digital Asian, the OpenCIO NFT collection, guys. And once again, don't forget to get the merch, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. Be great, be wonderful. I'll see you in the next one in the next couple of hours. If anything breaks between now and then, I'll let you know, guys. So God bless each and everyone. Go with God, be with God. I love it, you love it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!